All right, good afternoon. It's been a long day. It's time for a nap. Maybe many of you are feeling sleepy. I am. If I wasn't here, I'd be looking for a nap. But I'll start with a short story. It was August of 2022, pre-generative AI, right? And we had 3 days to create an extraordinary video. A 2-minute narrative that wasn't going to be just a video, but a key to an opportunity we couldn't afford to miss. It took 4 of us, 72 relentless hours, and $1,700 spent on just the right visuals and sounds. I'm sure many of you can relate. And if you cannot, chances are that you had someone who did it for you. And it shouldn't have been that hard. It shouldn't have taken that long. It shouldn't have taken 72 hours, especially for us, because we were no strangers to video creation. We had been building AI-based video creation tools, viral creation technologies that were used by tens of millions of people for short videos, music-based video content. In fact, let's have 15 seconds of fun before we get serious.
There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bowed it down below, my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
It's one of the proudest features we've ever shipped, which was automating visual effects based on music. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today, right? We spent several months working on simplifying video creation and making it 1,000x more efficient for all kinds of use cases. YouTube, TikTok, social media, website videos, etc. And that's what I'm here to talk about today. Thanks for being here. I'm Vidya, one of the co-founders and CEO of Rizzle. What we do is no-edit video creation. And by the vision of no-edit video creation is to ensure that most people should never have to edit the timeline of a video again, or have to choose every single element that goes into a video manually. And surely you're thinking, if it is 1,000x simpler, it must come at the cost of quality, right? Surely it's not the same quality as a manually edited video. But what if I told you and showed you that it can be? Let's talk about how we make it happen. First of all, our stock media partner is Getty Images. With access to over 500 million images and videos from the world's best stock media library, we are able to cover a wide range of verticals. So whatever your area is, chances are that we have you covered, mostly. We have other partners, market leaders in various areas to bring the best in AI foundational models and other areas. And over the last several months, we're working with about 100 customers. We have brought together a number of different output styles and features that help you create extraordinary videos. So that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to show you the different types of videos and styles that Rizzle can produce. Let's start with the simplest one, narrative storytelling, which is the most basic format. Most of the videos we watch today on YouTube are narrative videos. And basically, you can start out with a piece of text, a blog post, a topic sometimes, an article, and you can create a video from it. And let's watch a 15-second clip.
As the planet warms, wildfires have increased in frequency and severity. Fighting wildfires is dangerous and complex. Advanced modeling and simulation techniques using AI and digital twins can buy valuable time for firefighters, as well as improve risk assessment for banks, insurers, and utilities.
The second format is listicles. Very common form of content. Those who write written content know what listicles are. You do count-ups and countdowns and create some mystery around. You wouldn't believe the 7th thing on this list, top 10 things you love about, right? So now you can turn that into a video in listicle format.
3 reasons to travel.
Number 3. You want to. Travel because you want to, not because it's trendy or someone is dragging you along.
Number 2. You get out of your comfort zone and discover new favorites. Trying things we never thought we would like can push us to our limits and help us discover new favorites.
Number 1. You have no excuses. You will do something worthwhile every day. It changes your perspective and makes you appreciate the present moment.
I've done a lot of things. I don't think I'm going to try bungee jumping anytime soon. But besides that, podcast audio to video. So if you're a podcaster, if you have a podcast and you create audio podcasts, you can drop in your MP3 file and let Rizzle create a video for you, or create highlights from your audio podcasts in the form of videos that you can then share.
Hello, folks, and welcome to the Metallica Report. I'm Stefan Shirazi, editor of the band So What magazine.
And I'm Renee Richardson, Director of Philanthropy for Metallica's Foundation, all within my hands. This is your official weekly Metallica podcast, the only inside source, bringing you all the news from the band's HQ and studios deep in the heart of Northern California.
Podcast video to video. Say you're a podcaster, you use Riverside, StreamYard, you're recording your podcast, you have talking head videos. You can drop in your MP4s and let Rizzle create a video that takes all the editing out of the equation, adds automatic B-rolls, and converts your videos ready to share.
There's 6 players in NBA history who have won multiple MVPs, multiple finals MVPs, and multiple championships. It's Larry Bird, Tim Duncan, Magic Johnson, LeBron, Kareem, MJ, right? All those guys are top 10 guys. Like, they're top 10 guys. So Jokic and Giannis, to me, are the closest.
So making this all available and easy to use. Coming soon is a format called Offbeat, where you can basically take any kind of opinions, reviews, if you're a business owner, restaurant owner, reviews, or you're summarizing Reddit threads, Twitter threads, and you can basically create a video from that.
A person from 1923 gets transported to the year 2023. What things will shock him/her the most? I think things like the internet would break their mind, but things they can comprehend that would blow their mind would be a stroll through a grocery store.
So with all these formats and evolving, there are a number of different elements we put into your videos to make it interesting. One such thing are maps. Other than stock footage, we bring a number of different elements that can really make your video stand out. So Rizzle will automatically detect geographies mentioned in your text script and will create a map where appropriate and animate the corresponding regions in the world and take you to places. If you have quotes or highlights or excerpts in your text, we will extract it and add it as a text graphic. If there's an author for it, we'll show who that is and show their profile photo if available and make it really interesting. If you have statistics in your data, we will extract it and automatically chart it out for you to add animated charts and infographics to your videos. And these are some of the ways in which we're helping you make what is called an extraordinary video. You can do this in several languages, of course.
San Fermín é uma fiesta anual em Pamplona, Espanha, famosa por seus encierros, eventos tradicionais e grego vibrantes, celebrações em honor a San Fermín.
You can translate and you can have your, let's say, video in Portuguese and subtitles in English.
O Carnaval do Rio retorna. O prefeito Paes, do Rio de Janeiro, lançou oficialmente o Carnaval 2023, que retorna à sua data tradicional com mais de 400 desfiles de músicos e dançarinos. O Carnaval da cidade brasileira.
Not only do we bring all these, super packed video features, but it's also a fully enterprise-ready system. It's a video management system that can be used by teams. You can have unlimited team members using the platform with different roles assigned. It's a collaboration tool where people can leave video comments. You can have custom integrations. We can integrate your CMS and you can share it on socials by directly integrating your social media. So everything about making it easy for you to use. You can have your own branding. We can work with you on building custom templates if you're an enterprise. So really, it's all about making it simpler and easier for you to create a video. Behind the scenes, we have over 35 different AI models and hundreds of algorithms working in real time, analyzing video footage and making the best choices that make sense for your video. And once the video is done, you can actually review and make changes to it. You can edit, you can replace media, you can bring your own media, you can add your media to it. There's a community media library which brings fair use content. So there's a bunch of choices that you can do, and the only thing is they're all very easy to do. It's as easy as writing a document or editing a document. And that's how we're getting to 100x in time savings in how you create an extraordinary video. And depending on the plan you choose, you can save anywhere between 10 to 100x of the costs that you incur today in creating a great video as well. And that's how you get to the 1000x that I promised you at the beginning of the talk. And just to give you some time back, I'm going to play the vision of no-edit video creation, where you can watch fully end-to-end in terms of what we support today.
After the last decade of social media giants forcing creators and small businesses to continuously increase their video output to stay relevant, Rizzle is placing the power back in the hands of creators by making it 100 times easier to make high-quality videos. At Rizzle, we bring the future of video creation that we call no-edit video creation. We allow you to create with simply an idea and use our advanced AI tools to craft scripts, edit together the most relevant stock footage, add realistic AI-generated voiceovers, and more. If you already have a script or content you filmed, we can seamlessly edit and enhance it to keep viewers engaged on any platform.
Glide through the majestic mountains, embark on a thrilling jet boat ride, paraglide over Zermatt, or enjoy the breathtaking panoramic views skiing down the Swiss Alps.
Rihanna's electrifying Super Bowl halftime show surprised fans with the revelation of her pregnancy. Social media buzzed with speculation about her baby bump.
But how are we able to really make your content creation 100 times easier? If there is no script to start from, with an idea from you, we can use the latest in AI writing technology to create a realistic script. If you have footage from something like a podcast, we'll find key moments of engagement, create captions, and even summarize what was said into a more quickly digestible form. Then we analyze that script for keywords, and, in partnership with Getty Images, search from over 500 million assets to find the relevant media pieces for your script. Rizzle's AI will automatically determine where to use maps, stock media, or other graphical elements to keep the video interesting. Our AI engine then edits the best clips and images together with any content you've chosen to provide and creates engaging videos. We also add realistic voiceover when needed that can come in a multitude of languages and help you reach a global audience.
San Fermín é uma fiesta anual em Pamplona, Espanha, famosa por seus encierros, eventos tradicionais e grego-vibrantes celebrações em honor a San Fermín. O Carnaval do Brasil é espetáculo vibrante de sambas, desfiles deslumbrantes e fantasias elaboradas.
Das größte Bierfest der Welt, das Oktoberfest in Deutschland, präsentiert bayerische Kultur mit Musik, Essen und viel Bier.
Don't worry. After the video's been generated, you have the full ability to edit and review everything from the clips used, the aspect ratio, and even the pronunciation of words. Once you connect your YouTube and TikTok accounts, it's only one click to publish. We'll even recommend ideas for what you should create next, given what's performed well so far. We believe this is important because for years, the world has been moving towards video as the main way content is enjoyed. But it takes so much time, money, and effort to create that it prohibits smaller scale creators from being able to contribute in meaningful ways. Instead of spending multiple days building engaging and informative videos, you can now do it in 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all kinds of journalists, podcasters, educators, entrepreneurs, and enterprises to participate in social video in ways they haven't been able to before. And the people who have been in this space can now use that time for the more important things like engaging directly with their communities. Rizzle's features are evolving rapidly, and its ability to understand different topics, languages, and contexts is constantly expanding. What will you create today? Visit Rizzle.com to get started.
So with that, you can expect to spend about 15 to 30 minutes to make an exceptional video, 3 to 5 minutes for initially creating the first draft of the video, which Rizzle automatically creates, and then 10 to 20 minutes of review and polishing the video, and you're done. And you have a video that is as good as a manually edited video. And in the spirit of saving time, I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes back. Thank you.